Imagine soaring above the wilderness of Alaska, where pristine landscapes stretch as far as the eye can see. Up here, the world takes on a different perspective, a view from a drone's eye, sweeping over vast expanses of ice fields that shimmer like diamonds under the sun. As we journey further, the towering mountains rise to greet us, their majestic peaks blanketed in snow, standing as silent guardians of this untouched land. As day gives way to night, the sky is set ablaze with the enchanting dance of the aurora borealis. These ethereal lights, with their kaleidoscope of vibrant colors, paint a mesmerizing spectacle against the black canvas of the Alaskan night sky. Every corner of this vast wilderness whispers stories of the ancient past and sings songs of the vibrant present. It's a symphony of natural beauty and tranquility that's only interrupted by the whispering winds and the distant echo of a wolf's howl. From the ethereal lights of the sky to the rugged peaks below, the drone captures Alaska in all its majestic glory. Now, imagine descending towards the shimmering waters of Alaska, where the real adventure begins. As we glide along the coastline, we catch sight of the grand cruise ships like floating castles cutting their way through the icy, crystal-clear waters. Each ship, a marvel of modern engineering, is designed not only to withstand the harsh Alaskan environment, but also to provide its passengers with the utmost comfort and luxury. On board, the magic of Alaska unfurls in front of your eyes. The journey takes you through scenic routes that are as diverse as they are stunning. One moment you're sailing past towering glaciers that glisten under the Arctic sun. The next you're navigating through narrow fjords lined with lush greenery. But the real stars of the show are the wildlife residents. From the deck, you can spot humpback whales breaching the surface in a spectacular display of power and grace. Sea otters playfully frolicking in the water, while bald eagles soar high above, scanning the terrain with their sharp eyes. The journey is interspersed with stops at charming coastal towns steeped in history and culture. Each town with its unique story adds to the richness of the cruise experience. As the sun sets, painting the sky with shades of pink and orange, the cruise ship continues its voyage under the starlit sky. With every turn, the cruise unveils a new spectacle, a testament to Alaska's unparalleled beauty. As the sun sets on the Alaskan horizon, the journey comes to a tranquil close. The day's adventure, filled with awe-inspiring sights and unique experiences, gently winds down, making way for the serene embrace of twilight. The fading sun paints a picturesque tableau over the Alaskan landscape, its last rays casting a golden glow on the icy peaks. Each mountain, glacier and fjord has a story to tell, a silent testament to the grandeur of nature and the fleeting insignificance of our own existence. Our journey too has been a story, one of discovery and wonderment. We've navigated through Alaska's intricate waterways, gazed upon its majestic landscapes and marveled at the rich tapestry of life that thrives in this harsh yet captivating wilderness. We've felt the chill of the glacier's breath, heard the whisper of the wind through the pines, and seen the northern lights dance in the night sky. The cruise ship, our home away from home, has been a constant companion on this journey, offering comfort and luxury amid the rugged beauty of the Alaskan wilderness. As the sun dips below the horizon, the ship's lights begin to twinkle, casting a warm glow on the icy waters. And so, as the day ends and the lights on the cruise ships begin to twinkle, we bid farewell to the majestic landscapes of Alaska until the next adventure beckons.